Alright, so finally, I'm going to start working on this 5.0 again, this 302. So I've been hitting a couple roadblocks here. So I had a broken bolt in the water pump area. Now, the one thing I hate about the Ford 302 is how they go through the timing chain cover, which is right here. So you usually have a gasket, and then the timing chain cover, and then another gasket in the water pump. That's so aggravating. What makes it even more of a pain in the butt is I have a broken bolt there, so it's guaranteed to leak. So, of course it's really rotted, so we're going to have to heat that thing up. I already have the torch running. I got one of those MAP gas and oxygen torches. It's like a needle or pencil torch, so it should get right in there no problem. And then so the whole point of today is to put the front timing chain cover on, put the oil pan on. I never got to it the other day, so that's what I'm gonna do today. And yeah, fucking rock on with me, all right?
You spend all your money with no end in sight. You gotta run 'cause they're pulling you under. Yeah, we got you in time. I don't wanna see stupid younger me, so young, so dumb, disaster masterpiece. I just wanna be the one to help you say there's more to this than just a kiss. The disaster masterpiece. Whoa, yeah. They'll pull you under. They'll leave you in the dark. They strike like thunder and watch you fall apart. Seeing your dreams, that's reality. Open up to esteem. I gotta get out of this. Open up your blinded eyes. You're running away again. See you on the other side. I'll see you holding
So I finally got the right head bolts. What a pain in the ass it is to find head bolts for a 302. Well, they're cake to find on the internet, but hard to find in an auto parts store. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna finish assembling the water pump assembly, get that whole thing on, and then we're gonna work on assembling the heads. First, I'm gonna drop the heads down onto the engine, and then torque them down. Then after all that's done, I'm gonna put the valve train on. So let's get rolling. I got shit.
She's the one they all talk about. She's the one the guys always dream about. Lighting mean their engine just revving out. Pistons burning, tires just screeching out. Biggest cam, head working.
today was an eventful day. I got quite a bit done on the 302. I'm a lot happier that the thing is together now. Heads are torqued down. The only thing that realistically needs to be done is I just have to adjust the poly lock system on all the roller rockers, but I'm gonna wait for that. I don't have to do that right this second. I got a couple of other things I want to do first. But yeah, the motor is ready to go. The aluminum heads look good on there. I didn't paint the block this time. It's just cast iron. I've painted that one so many times. It's like the paint just bakes off and it looks like shit. So kept the cast iron this time. Yeah, it turns over. Everything is no valves are hitting nothing. I already had the valves tightened already. The rocker arms, I mean, I already had them tightened. Made sure nothing hit. Everything's good. I loosened them up. I'm not sure if I'm going to be changing the lifters out again. But I'm going to take it apart to clean it anyway. That's why. Yeah. It's looking pretty good. I'm pretty excited. Alright. Until next time.